When abrasive materials hit the wall of conventional sweep elbows to change direction, they wear completely through the elbow wall, causing blowouts that incur costly repairs and downtime. Unlike sweep elbows, the Smart Elbow design from HammerTek relies on deflection instead of impact to change the direction of the material being conveyed. It features a spherical chamber that protrudes partially beyond the desired pathway, causing a loose ball of airborne material to rotate in the same direction as the airstream that powers it, gently deflecting material around the bend. Aggregates, concrete, foundry sand, glass, lime, ore, minerals, reinforced plastics, and other abrasives impact the wall of a conventional sweep elbow, wearing through the elbow, causing blowouts. But with the Smart Elbow design, abrasives are gently deflected around the bend by a ball of material rotating in the same direction as the airflow, preventing elbow wear and failure. In addition, material exits the sweep elbow by skidding along the outside radius, but it exits the Smart Elbow deflection elbow evenly across the outflow in a full bore discharge with no skidding or abrasion of the elbow wall. Leading concrete, plastics, grain milling, and other publications explain how Smart Elbow users prevented abrasive wear and shutdowns. For example, this world-leading builder of concrete, fertilizer, food, fly ash, plastics, and pharmaceutical plants eliminates abrasive wear and reduces pressure drop by installing Smart Elbow deflection elbows exclusively, reporting zero elbow failure for 15 years and counting. This compounder of abrasive reinforced thermoplastics eliminated elbow replacements and streamers by replacing existing sweeps with Smart Elbow deflection elbows. This injection molder conveys abrasive reinforced resin without interruption using Smart Elbow deflection elbows, which paid for themselves in 6 months. Smart Elbow deflection elbows eliminated the need to weld or replace failed sweep elbows 100 feet in the air for this ready-mix concrete producer. This sealant manufacturer eliminated elbow failure by replacing concrete-backed elbows with Smart Elbow deflection elbows for conveying of silica sand. By installing Smart Elbow deflection elbows on pneumatic transport lines, this cement plant reduced bulk transport offload times by 50%. So dramatic are the benefits of Smart Elbow deflection elbows that HammerTek offers free no-risk trials. Simply install one at your most problematic bend and you too will never look back. Smart Elbow 45 and 90-degree elbows are available in cast iron, carbon steel, aluminum, stainless steel, and specialized alloys with flanges and socket-style ends in tube, Schedule 10 pipe, Schedule 40 pipe, and Schedule 80 pipe from 1.5 to 18 inches. In addition to individual elbows, HammerTek now offers flanged elbow kits and socket-style kits with everything you need to replace existing silo top elbows and pipe or tubing quickly and easily. For a free trial and expert application advice, go to hammertek.com, email sales@hammertek.com, or call 1-610-814-2273.